What if I told you that the key to unlocking your ultimate success is hidden in a single question? That's right. Just one powerful question can transform your life, helping you find clarity, purpose, and the motivation you need to achieve greatness. Sounds intriguing? Stick around, because this might just be the turning point you've been waiting for. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded with advice. Follow your passion, hustle harder, never give up. But what if the secret to success isn't about doing more? What if it's about asking the right questions? Today, I'll share with you one profound question that successful people, from entrepreneurs to artists, ask themselves to discover their true path. By the end of this video, you'll not only know the question, but also how to use it effectively to unlock your full potential. Let's start with a reality check. Have you ever felt lost or stuck, unsure of what to do next? You're not alone. Most people struggle with clarity. They're chasing goals that aren't truly theirs. Maybe they're influenced by societal expectations, family pressures, or even social media trends. This lack of direction is why so many people fail to achieve lasting success. Here's the thing. Success isn't about luck or talent. It's about alignment. When your actions align with your true purpose, everything starts to fall into place. All right, here's the moment you've been waiting for. The question, are you ready? Ask yourself, what would I do if I couldn't fail? Let that sink in for a moment. What would I do if I couldn't fail? This question bypasses fear and self-doubt. It strips away the limitations you've placed on yourself and reveals what truly excites and inspires you. It's a direct line to your heart's deepest desires, the things you were meant to do. Now, why is this question so powerful? Because it shifts your focus from fear to possibility. Fear of failure is the #1 reason people hold themselves back. But when you remove the concept of failure, you're left with a blank canvas. Imagine you're an artist staring at a blank sheet of paper. There are no wrong strokes, no bad ideas, only possibilities. That's exactly what this question does for your life. It allows you to dream big and identify what truly matters to you. Okay, so you've asked yourself the question, now what? Here's a step-by-step guide to turn this insight into action. Step 1, write it down. Grab a journal and write your answer. Don't overthink it. Let your subconscious mind do the talking. What would you pursue if failure wasn't an option? Step 2, analyze your answer. Look at what you've written. Does it excite you? Does it scare you? If yes, that's a sign you're onto something meaningful. Step 3, break it down. Big dreams can feel overwhelming, so break them into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your answer is, I'd start my own business, identify the first step, researching your industry, creating a business plan, or networking. Step 4, create a vision board. Visualize your success by creating a vision board. Include images, quotes, and anything that represents your goal. This will keep you motivated and focused. Step 5, take one step every day. Consistency is key. Take one small action every day that moves you closer to your goal. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Still skeptical? Let's look at real-life examples. Elon Musk once said his driving question was, what will have the biggest impact on humanity? That led him to create SpaceX and Tesla. Oprah Winfrey asked herself, what is my true calling? It wasn't just to host a talk show, it was to empower people through storytelling. These individuals found their path by asking powerful, purpose-driven questions. And so can you. Now let's address the elephant in the room, self-doubt. When you ask yourself this question, your inner critic might pop up saying things like, you can't do that. It's too late. You're not good enough. Here's the truth. Self-doubt is just fear in disguise. Acknowledge it, but don't let it control you. Remember, every successful person started with doubts. They just didn't let those doubts stop them. Here's where manifestation comes in. Once you've identified your goal, align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with it. Use visualization to see yourself succeeding. Use affirmations to reinforce your belief. And most importantly, take inspired action. Manifestation isn't magic. It's a process of aligning your inner world with your outer actions. And when you're clear about what you want, The universe has a way of opening doors you didn't even know existed. So what's your answer to the question, what would I do if I couldn't fail? Share it in the comments. I'd love to know. And remember, success isn't reserved for the lucky or the talented. It's for those who dare to dream and take action. Start today. Write your answer, take the first step, and watch how your life begins to transform. You've got this. And if you're ready to take your manifestation journey to the next level, download the Manifest app. It's like having a manifestation coach right in your pocket, helping you visualize your goals, track your progress, and stay aligned with your dreams. Click the link in the description to start your journey today. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, your dream life is closer than you think. You just need to ask the right question. Until next time, stay exceptional.